Hello friends, Simpson here again. Thank you for watching, commenting and liking my previous video. I'm truly encouraged by your support and promise to make more video in the future. Today is the most anticipated day for me as I have waited approximately 1 week to make this video because me and my team were engaged with some projects and my iPhone 12 Pro Max was locked in my drawer for all these days. Finally, the time has come to unveil my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's remove sticker. First thing is the cover print. Cover looks futuristic, more of a sci-fi. Maybe it's indicating that we have entered into a new era of technology. Let's go into it. Here it is. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Let's keep it aside and talk about its accessories. Is the charging cable, USB-C to Lightning. Now Apple has stopped shipping charger with its iPhone box. Well, if we look at its positive part, then it is a good strategy to help the environment because people have charger piling up in their drawers. But is it really the point here? Cause this is USB-C to Lightning connector which is very first of its kind and everyone who use this iPhone must have this charger. So what's the catch here? Well, I think Apple has introduced its wireless charger with MagSafe technology and I strongly doubt that by upcoming years the Lightning charging port will vanish and we will have iPhone without any ports for external connection. Anyway, let's continue our unboxing. Okay, let's see what we have got here. Okay, it's the basics. SIM ejector and typical Apple logo sticker and documents. I guess no one is interested to read it, so I will skip it here. Well, now the most awaited part. This is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, graphite color. Well, technically it's black. This time Apple has launched total 4 colors in its Pro series. The screen is wider 6.7 inches as opposed to 6.5 inches in its 11 Pro Max version. We can feel the fancy whiteness in our palm. Now iPhone has again resumed its flat edges like iPhone 4 and 5. We can see it can stand by its own. Now one side is here SIM card slot, volume buttons and silent mode, and another side power button. Also on the bottom we have charging port, mic and speaker. Now camera design is similar to iPhone 11 Pro series. However, the camera size is slightly bigger but they have added Lidar technology, which could be a game changer in the field of photography and videography. I will come up with a video describing its Lidar sensor in the future. Please stay tuned. Let's set up the phone. Here we are after the setup. The notch is still the same. It always reminds me of Charlie Chaplin because it looks like his mustache. And I don't see Apple is going to solve this puzzle anytime soon. iPhone 12 Pro has given Super Retina XDR screen and claims that it is the strongest out of all smartphones in the industry. The body is stainless steel, which brings a few more grams as opposed to aluminum body, but it feels good when we lift it. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and please comment down below so that I will always get motivated. See you again.